Senator Sonny Angara slammed the decision of the National Telecommunications Commission, issuing a cease and desist order against SkyCable. SkyCable is ABS-CBN's cable company. NTC ordered SkyCable to stop operating its direct broadcast satellite service since the company's franchise already expired. Angara questioned why other companies with pending franchise applications were allowed to operate in the past. Angara's wife, Tutsi, works at ABS-CBN.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.